Hi, this is Rich Hennepel, Senior Solution Engineer at DocuSign. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a use case for our return to work solution. So our solution includes COVID-19 return to work form, as you see an example here. It can also have the ability to capture the vaccination record card from the CDC. I'm going to show two things today. I'm going to send the survey using what we call a bulk send. I will send this survey to a number of employees that wish to return to the office. Next, I'm going to show how we complete the survey using a PowerForm. The PowerForm is nothing more than a web link that allow those kind of one-off employees that wish to return to work to kind of go to a website, click a link, and actually complete the survey. So let's take a look at how that works. First, I'm going to use a template. The template's a repeatable business process, and I'm going to select the return to work survey. Next, you can see I can go in, I can actually select a one-off employee to send the survey to, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to go to advanced edit, and I'm going to import a bulk list. This list will be a list of employees that maybe I want to send out weekly to kind of complete the survey. So the list of employees will show up here. I'm going to just take out a couple just to make the demonstration a little bit quicker. And you can see there's my bulk list that I've imported. I hit send now. Now it's going to send that survey to a number of different employees. In this case, it's just sending it to me. And you can see if I go into my bulk sends, I have one person that needs to sign. So I receive an email. I'm going to open that email. This could be branded with your brand and any kind of custom message you may want. When I click the link, the first thing I need to do is apply consent to use my electronic signature. I start. And if I go down, the only mandatory field there is that signature, but I'm going to go ahead and complete the survey and put in the fact that my last test date was on the 24th. I can optionally upload different documents. In this case, I'm going to select a COVID test result and hit done. And then later, I'm going to show you how that kind of attaches at the end of the package here. Next, I'll put in my Moderna, the 2 different doses. This is really capturing that COVID vaccination. And of course, I can upload a vaccination card. And again, that'll be included at the end of the package. Just to show you, there's my chart, undetected, that's the COVID-19 test, and then there's my card. It's not a real card. And then of course I can hit sign, put my electronic signature there, and finish. And that's pretty much it. Also, just while we're here, certificate of completion, that legally binding document, that's also included in this return to work solution. Also, agreement actions, ability to store to a shared drive like SharePoint, OneDrive, or Google Drive. And really the retention on our cloud can be managed from 0 days or indefinite. Next, we're going to show our PowerForm demonstration. And here I can go to a link on a website. I get a nice little form here. I'll put in my name, my email address, and hit begin signing. What it's going to do first is it's going to ask me about my identification. So I'm going to hit continue. It's going to want me to take a picture of that vaccine card. I'll give it my phone, and on the right here, this is a little picture of my phone. I'm going to open the link on my mobile device. I go in, and I'm going to take a good picture. So I'm going to hit continue. And what I'm going to do is I'll invoke my camera. And I do have a picture of my vaccine card. Actually, it's just a sample. It's not a real card, but it's on my laptop. And if I open up a little picture here, I can snap a photo right there. And I can either retry it, but it looks pretty good. I'm gonna hit OK. And what it's gonna do now is it's gonna, after I hit submit, it will upload that photo and it'll do some validations on it. So it's gonna make sure it's a valid CDC card. It's gonna look for certain dates, and really kind of make sure that I have my 2 shots and I'm actually safe to enter the building. It'll perform all the checks, it reviews, and if it takes a little bit more time, in this case, it will take a little bit more time. I'll get a message like, we need more time to verify your ID. At that point, someone can actually go look at the ID. They can say it's valid, and they can actually put in a backend system that I am safe to enter the workforce without even necessarily storing the CDC vaccine card information. So if you're interested in exploring this solution in more detail, please contact your DocuSign account team or call 1-877-720-2040 or email us at returntowork@docusign.com.